If you are someone who was addicted to Instagram, YouTube, movies, junk, porn, betting and all these addictions are very addictive. If you are addicted to this, then don't worry, we can overcome this.
You might have watched hundreds of videos on how to decrease addictions, but this video is the last video which you are going to watch on the addiction, because I'm going to present you the raw facts which will help you to decrease the addictions, not just decreasing, completely eradicating the addictions. Let's get into the video. See, if you are the person who wants to achieve anything, like protecting the family or helping the family to get a job or to start a company, to become a politician or anything, if you dream big, you have to remove addictions. You can't achieve anything by addicted to something else. See, before going to decrease addictions, we have to accept three fundamentals. Like, we can't change this, we have to accept this. The first one is, we can only manage these addictions, we can't master them. Because at any point of time, we'll again get addicted to everything, because these are the pleasure giving objects or the activities. And the second one is, all addictions are not bad. There are some addictions which might give many results. They may be your unfair advantage, because some people are addicted to books, I'm addicted to exercise. So addictions are not always bad. You have to focus on the good addictions which will help you a lot. You have to increase these addictions and you have to decrease these addictions. And the third one, constantly not giving up. We will try everything to decrease the addictions, but at one point of time we'll give up. But not giving up is very important to succeed in the long run, because this controlling addictions is not just a 2-day game or 30-day game. It's a life game. Okay, let's get into straight point how we can eradicate addictions. First one is, see, everyone will say like you have to manage everything, you have to balance everything. But we shouldn't balance the bad addictions. We have to eradicate them. In order to do that, make them disappear. No matter what you have addicted to, just delete all these things. Because we might say like we can hide them, we can log them, but at one point of time we again unhide that app. So if you delete them, so the frictions to try that addictions are very high. And the second one is, starting is the hardest. See, whenever you are trying something new, starting is the hardest one. For suppose if you have deleted everything, starting 3 days will be the terrible situation for you, because you're addicted to it, you're completely not doing all these things. So your mind will always say you that you have to do it, you have to do it. So starting is the hardest. If you can control that cravings for 3 days or 4 days, you can completely master addictions. And this is the one thing which I have observed from many challenges. And you don't even remember that addiction exists. Right now, I don't even remember Instagram. Even I think about Instagram, I don't think about scrolling it. Okay, because my mind was not used to it. You don't even control yourself. You naturally don't want to use Instagram. If we get rid of addictions, we'll get a lot of time. We know the benefits, but we don't experience the benefits until or unless we try it. Most of the times we try and we fail. We try and we fail. And we try and we fail. If you observe all these situations, we are not actually experiencing the real outcomes of avoiding the addictions. Okay, we are not actually experiencing it. If you want to experience the addictions, you have to perform a challenge. You have to do it for some number of days. When you take a challenge for yourself, you'll have a reason to avoid these addictions. I'll highly recommend you try a dopamine detox, which will help you a lot. In that challenge, it gives you a lot of pleasure avoiding these addictions. That experience is very important to push you forward to continue this challenge. Okay, you'll have that pleasure of doing the things which you are really wanted to do. So this is the real dopamine, not scrolling, not consuming anything. The real dopamine is living the way you want to live. So that's the real dopamine, and that can be only happen when you remove all the bad addictions. I'll highly recommend you to take a dopamine detox. So go to check about dopamine detox on the YouTube. It will help you and it will completely change the game of addictions. So that's all for this video. Until then, it's your Hemanth Krishna signing off. Bye. And don't forget not to subscribe, but to start a dopamine detox.
This thing which I did, I started this challenge only to impress myself, not others, anything else.
Evening, I went to gym and did shoulder and biceps workout. So it's